Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on this 2015 Volkswagen Jetta TSI. Fuel filter is located in the passenger rear side. Before you crawl into the vehicle, make sure it's safely supported. I have this vehicle safely supported with the race ramps. This is a nice two-piece design, so I can crawl under here, remove this section. Now that gives me more room to access the filter. Here's the filter I chose, Hengst. Here's the part number. You can check the description for part numbers and links. And yeah, there's so many different types out there you can choose from, but I'd go with a good brand like Hengst or Man. This one here is a UFI filter. This might be OEM. I don't think it's ever been replaced. This vehicle has 97,000 miles on it, so we're definitely due for a replacement. Alright, now we can go ahead and remove these fuel lines. I'll show you how to do this. So this line will actually wiggle a little bit. So what you want to do is push it in, and then while you do that, take a flathead screwdriver and push up on this clip. So push in and push up, and it will release, and then you can pull it off. Make sure you have a pan to catch the fuel little drip. And that's the same process for the other two lines. So we'll go ahead and continue on. This one has a blue clip on it. You just push up like that and pull out. And there we go. Alright, with this front fuel line, you can't access that clip because it's up on top. So it's hard to do it without actually removing the filter from the bracket. You can see right there that there's a Phillips screw, and that one looks a little rusted, so hopefully it comes out no issue. So we'll do that now, and then we can remove that fuel line. Alright, to give yourself a little more access, remove this e-brake cable from this hanger here. It just pulls right out like that. Alright, that screw is removed. So what we need to do is spin it so we can get access to that top clip. See that right there? So you have to push down on that just like the other fuel lines and then pull out on it. So it's going to be hard to get actual coverage of this, but I will try my best. Alright, there we go. A little bit of fuel comes out. Okay, now we can remove the filter from this housing. I really think this was the original. It looks pretty dirty. Looks like it's been up there for a while. But there's the part number if you want to buy a OEM UFI filter. This one's made in China. Part number is 1K020101K. Okay, this is what it looks like without the filter in place. You can see straight ahead there, this little area right here. So the filter can only go in one way. And if you look at the new filter here, this little part right here, that fits in that area. So we'll go ahead and grab our new filter and install. This is pretty easy, guys. We'll have to remove these little rubber dust caps here and put it on up in place. Okay, these fuel lines just push back into place. Pretty simple. You'll hear a click when they go back into where they're supposed to go. Okay, that's it. Now we can put our screw back in there, and that'll complete everything. Okay, it's nice and secure. Everything looks good. Very nice. Don't forget your parking brake cable hanger. Okay, time to check for leaks before we pull it off the ramps. Everything looks great. Another job well done. Alright guys, that completes the fuel filter change. Hit that like button if you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.